If you run a small guest-facing business and still think that AI is just for tech bros and billion-dollar brands, think again. Because today, smart operators are using AI as their secret weapon. Not to replace their teams either, but to stop wasting time on stuff like this. Answering the same 5 questions, juggling bookings, or manually trying to track inventory. Now, it's like hiring an assistant that never calls in sick, doesn't need a break, and always shows up with a solution. Because simplified tools allow you to do this. Handle DMs and phone calls at scale. Build out your staff schedule. Predict your busiest days. Even write your email newsletters. And the best part, you don't need a tech team or a fat budget. Just a willingness and a curiosity to dive into seeing how AI can do all those repetitive tasks. So you can focus on what matters absolutely the most, which is your guest looking to visit your property. So if you want the full breakdown with real life examples, you're going to want to read this post.